Running a small business today means managing payments, invoices, taxes, and expenses, all while trying to save time. The Lloyds Business Banking app promises to make all of that simple. Open an account in minutes, manage your business on the go. But with so many digital banks and fintech apps offering faster, cheaper, and smarter tools, is Lloyds still competitive in 2026, or is it just relying on its name? Let's find out. I've tested dozens of business banking apps, from digital challenges like Starling and Revolut Business to traditional ones like Barclays and NatWest. I use them for real-world business tasks, payroll, supplier payments, VAT tracking, and check deposits. So when I tested Lloyds Business Banking, I opened a live account, used the app for 1 full month, sent invoices, paid staff, and checked how reliable, fast, and practical it really was. Here's the honest breakdown. Lloyds advertises 3 big claims for its business app. 1. Fast account setup. They say you can apply and open a business account in minutes with no need to visit a branch. 2. Complete mobile banking. You can deposit checks with your camera, send faster payments, manage direct debits, and even view your card PIN, all from your phone. 3. Trusted and secure banking. Lloyds emphasizes its reputation with biometric login, fraud detection, and business support backed by a major UK institution. But does it all work as smoothly as advertised? Onboarding and setup. While Lloyds claims a quick setup, in practice, it took me several days to complete verification and business checks. It's not instant like fintech competitors. Identity confirmation and document reviews still feel old-fashioned, though the process is reliable. Performance and interface. The app feels clean and intuitive. Checking balances and transactions is quick, and payments process smoothly. You can also deposit checks using your phone camera, which works surprisingly well. However, customization is limited. You can't tag expenses or integrate third-party tools like accounting apps directly from the app. Reliability and speed. Over 1 month of use, I didn't experience crashes or payment errors. Notifications arrive on time, but sometimes the app logs you out too quickly for inactivity. For busy business owners switching between apps, that can be annoying. Customer support. Support is solid but slow. It often redirects you to call or visit a branch rather than resolving issues in-app. Competitors like Tide or Monzo Business are far more responsive through chat. Fees and value. Lloyds offers the first 12 months free, then charges around £8.50 per month. For a traditional bank, that's fair, but compared to fintech alternatives that are free or cheaper, it might feel outdated. Security and trust. Security is one of Lloyds' strongest points. The biometric login works flawlessly and fraud monitoring is reliable. You also get FSCS protection up to 85 tons, something not all fintechs can match. So, is the Lloyds Business Banking app worth your money? If you value stability, a trusted bank name, and strong security, Lloyds delivers. It's perfect for small and medium businesses that prefer traditional banking reliability over flashy digital features. However, if your priority is speed, automation, and advanced mobile tools, Lloyds may feel a step behind modern fintechs. The setup process isn't instant, the interface lacks integrations, and the monthly fee might not justify what you get. Overall, Lloyds Business Banking is dependable but not revolutionary. It's a solid choice for established businesses that want peace of mind, but tech-driven entrepreneurs will likely find better value elsewhere.